Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates independently without the need of a central bank. It is decentralized and secure with its transactions recorded on a digital ledger called blockchain. In this video, we will introduce you to the basics of cryptocurrency and its benefits. Cryptocurrency was first introduced in 2009 with the emergence of Bitcoin, created by an anonymous programmer called Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, several other cryptocurrencies have emerged, such as Litecoin, Ripple, and Ethereum. Cryptocurrency relies on blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger containing encrypted transactions. These transactions are added to the block and then verified and recorded through a network of nodes. Once the verification process is completed, the transactions are added to the blockchain, which maintains a record of all transactions. One of the main benefits of cryptocurrency is that it is decentralized, meaning that it operates independently without the need of a central authority. This provides greater security and flexibility for users. Additionally, transactions are faster and cheaper compared to traditional banking methods. Finally, cryptocurrencies provide greater accessibility and inclusivity for individuals who do not have access to traditional banking systems. In conclusion, cryptocurrency has emerged as a viable alternative to traditional banking systems, providing faster, cheaper, and more accessible transactions. We hope this introductory video has been helpful in understanding the basics of cryptocurrency.